Many Android users wish to take full control over their phones or tablets and explore unknown possibilities, so they want to know how to root Android devices simply and safely. Okay, here's everything you need to know about rooting. Without further ado, let's get right to the point. Part 2: Reasons for rooting or not rooting Android device. Reasons to encourage rooting: optimize battery and block ads. Revamp your system without buying a new phone. Unofficially update Android OS. Install restricted apps or firmware. Grant essential repair tool permissions. Reasons to discourage rooting: in some countries, it probably voids the warranty. Rooting an Android phone may result in a brick device. It may go awry and lead to security risks. Your Android phone is vulnerable to malware. Some high-security applications may refuse to install on your phone. Part 3: Preparations for rooting. Enable USB debugging on your Android to install a proper USB driver. Back up your Android phone to your computer in case of perpetual data loss. Your device has been adequately charged. Install the Android SDK tool if the program runs on Windows, Mac, or even Linux. Part 4: How to root Android phone or tablet 5 ways. Way 1. How to root Android device using KingaRoot. Download KingaRoot APK on Android. Install by clicking OK. Access settings within the app. Ensure stable Wi-Fi. Press Try to root. Wait for the rooting process to complete. Way 2. How to make rooted Android phone with one-click root. Check device compatibility in the One-Click Support Center. Download or install drivers if compatible. Enable USB debugging. Connect Android to computer. Open the app. Click Root Now for one-click rooting. Way 3. How to root Android phone manually with iRoot. Get iRoot on your computer before installing it. Connect your Android phone to the PC through a USB cable. Enable USB debugging on your phone. When iRoot recognizes your device, please hit root. After a few minutes, press Complete. Way 4. How to get rooted Android phone with RootMaster. Download RootMaster APK. Enable unknown sources in Android security. Launch the app. Check compatibility. Press Start. Authorize and tap Rooting for the process. Wait for successfully reboot. Install Magisk for Android management. Way 5. How to root your Android phone safely with firmware. Mobi. Download zip file. Find root windows. BAT. Open. Wait for script execution. Press any key to start Android rooting. Device restarts automatically post-task.